In today's lesson, we want to talk about safety. This is topic 1, grade 4, physical education and arts. Let us first look on the unit objectives of what we want to learn. By the end of this unit, you should be able to identify safety rules and precautions for various activities. So we are going to be looking at safety rules and also precautions for various activities. Then the part B is we have to describe safe ways of using, storing and caring for equipment. Saka tichatarisa mitemo inochengetedza safety yedu, totarisa precautions kureva kuti zvatinofanirwa kuita kuitira kuti tisazviisa munjodzi, that is to harm or injure ourselves. Then secondly, tichatarisa safe ways of using, storing and caring for equipment which is going to be used in our physical education. Let us look back. So this is grade 4, kureva kuti toda kutarisa zvatakaita grade 3. In the previous grade, that is grade 3, you learned about safety and health living habits in the previous grade. You also learned about the importance of warm-up and also cool-down activities. Satakadzidza kukosha kwakaita kuita warm-up and also cooling down, that is taking breaks during our physical activities. In this unit, you identify safety rules, and precautions for different activities and describe safe ways of using, storing, caring for equipment. Saka ndozo atenge tichitarisa in this particular unit. Let us go to our keywords and see what we have to learn from them. So our first keyword is safety rules. So what are safety rules? Safety rules are established guidelines or protocols that outline the minimum requirements for safe practices and behaviors in a specific environment, activity, or situation. So let us simplify this definition of safety rules. Kana tichitaura pamusoro pema-safety rules, tiri kutarisa established guidelines. Saka guidelines kureva zvatinofanirwa kuita, mitemo. Established guidelines or protocols that outline the minimum requirements. So these established guidelines, they do outline the minimum requirements. These minimum requirements, what are they for? For safe practices. And behaviors. In a specific environment, activity, or situation. Saka nchitaura pamusoro pema-safety rules, tikutarisa mitemo inoita kuti tive safe kana tichiita ma-physical activities. Ndozvirongotsanangurwa nechirungu chese chatanyora ichi. Established guidelines that outline the minimum requirements for safe practices and behaviors in a specific environment, activity or situation. Saka ndozvirongotaurwa pamusoro pazvo panapa. Mitemo inoita kuti tive safe during these activities. Let us look at precautions. So what are precautions? Looking at precautions, these are measures taken in advance. So this is the most important part. Measures taken in advance to prevent or minimize the risk of injury, illness, or harm to individuals, as well as to protect property and equipment. Saka, these are measures taken beforehand, cannot measures taken in advance. So to measures taken in advance to do what? To prevent harm, to prevent or minimize harm. Tinogona ngoigumira panapa. Kana chiti precautions, tikutaridza zvinhu zvatinoita before kana kuti zvatinoita in advance kuitira kuti tiavoid harm and injury to individuals and also equipment. Those are precautions. Let us take for example, kuti pangona kuiswa mutemo unenge uchiti you should not eat near the pool. Handiti. Saka not eating near the pool kuitira kuprotect against a risk kana kuti a potential harm which can be done to people. For example, kana uchidya near the pool, maybe you litter kana makanda emabanana anogona kuita kuti munhu asvedze adonhe akware against the hard pool floor. Saka this is just an example for precaution, something we do, a measure we take in advance to prevent harm. What about equipment? Kana chitaura takareruka tinoti maturusi, that's equipment. So equipment is the tools used, and maturusi, they can be devices, they can be apparatus and materials. So these are the tools used. Let us just call them tools. But what are they used for? In learning activities in various subjects, including physical education and arts. Saka, simply put, equipment are the tools used in physical activities. Kana tikadai so tinenge tatorovedzera. That's equipment. Tools used in physical activities. You can think of many tools. We can talk about bows, for example. We can talk about a ratchet. We can talk about a bat. We can talk about shin guards. We can talk about many things which we use in physical activities. What about a hazard? That's our hazard with Chelsea and Real Madrid. What is a hazard? Saka, a hazard is simply harm. Anything with the potential to cause harm. Saka, a hazard is anything that causes harm. Chero chi chinokonzeresa kuti munhu akware kana kuti munhu ave injured. Anything that causes harm. That is a hazard. Attire. Ihembe guides. Hembe. Attire. The clothing worn for a particular event. Saka hadzingozi hembe chete, but hembe dzinopfekwa for a particular event. Like for soccer, you have something you should wear if you are playing football. You wear shin pads, you wear shooters. Then if you are, the physical activity is, for example, athletics, you wear running shoes. There are things which we wear for particular or specific activities. Saka, attire is just clothing for a particular activity or for a particular physical activity. Let us put it like this. For a particular physical activity. Then lastly, first aid. First aid, it help given. So first aid is the help given to a sick or injured person until full medical treatment is available. Saka first aid ndeyekuti full medical activity isati yava available. Kureva kuti maybe ambulance isati yasvika, manesi nemadoctors asati vasvika, you are given help. So first aid, this is the help given before full medical aid or full medical treatment is available. Mapaona. Saka kuti inyatso kubuda zvakanaka definition of first aid, tinogona kuti help given to an injured person. Saka rubatsiro runopiwa munhu anenge akuwara during a physical activity before full medical treatment is available. Saka ngatingoti munhu acollapse. You can take it from if you have watched any soccer match, for example. You would see kuti kana munhu akaita injury in the ground, kune vanhu vanomhanya vaya kuti vamubatsire. That's the first aid. But kana injury iri serious, anombuditswa muground oendeswa kuchipatara kwaanonowana full medical treatment. Saka first aid, these are first responders, people who help an injured person before the arrival or the availability of full medical treatment. That is it.